Welcome back to yet another video in my channel Draw with Art Kids. Today actually I was drawing one of my favorite characters, Genie from Aladdin. He is one of my favorites. He is the best friend of Aladdin. A friend in need is a friend indeed. A true friend. So I thought of drawing this character today not in watercolor but in oil pastel for my kids viewers, but it has a different twist. So the twist is that I have decorated it with some different glitters, colored glitters, and there is one more twist and I'm on surprise actually, but that surprise I will tell you at the end of this video. So what you are waiting for? Let's start this video. But yes, one more thing, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel, and down there you get the subscription button. Click that subscription button, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon there, okay, to get more updates on my videos, and like and share my videos as much as you can. Okay, so let's start without wasting any time. Hello, I'm back. Till the color is being spread, let me tell you about the colors I have used. See, in my box I have used this color. This is light blue actually. Not light blue, it's uranium blue type. It's not actually whole sky blue. It has a little bit of violet in it. So, and the base color I have used this one. And then I have used this ultramarine blue. See, this is ultramarine blue I have used. Okay, after that, after spreading, then I have used Persian blue. My colors has been has been broken and short. Still I have used Persian blue, okay, for the last part, for the shading you will see. Now for the golden part I have used, first I have given the base color lemon yellow, okay, then I have given a shading of light brown, this Indian red actually what is called, the thing what you call, it's umber, it's burnt sienna, that color, okay. All the colors will be written there, so you can all this. Now I will show you the glitters actually. The glitters I have used actually here, is this, that you use febricyl. I've used this febricyl, the glitters, okay, you use for designing and all. So I have used this, blue glitter for decorations here on the side and all. This I have used, and for the white portion I have used this sparkle, glitter of silver color, and for this golden part here I have used this golden. Okay, so these are the colors and the decorative items I have used. So let's get back to the drawing. Ta-da! See, isn't it beautiful? The cutout that I had made, I had stick it on a blue chart paper to give the background a beautiful look. You can also do that. So what you are waiting for? Grab your pencil, your colors, your glitters and start. And see you next week with yet another new video, something new, something different. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Hit that bell icon. See you next week. Ta-da! Do like, subscribe and share my channel. Hit the bell icon for more updates.